It's time to be engaged in the issues of sustainability to ensure that climate change is put back in the agenda. We want to lead the conversation. This is what this master is about.
This is the application of sustainability practices in financial industries.
It's about understanding sustainability from a management and finance perspective. This is what makes it unique. We bring the industry into the class.
We have a lot of guest speakers and they're giving us valuable insights.
The careers development in BASE has been great. There are workshops teaching you how to do your interviews, how to do assessment centers, and how to apply for jobs as well.
We have a lot of networking opportunities. We can speak to alumni and we can also speak with companies itself.
London is the greatest city in the world, as they all say. It's just a great place to live.
There's so many things going on all the time. When I walk around, I see different companies that I never really heard of, and I'm like, oh, maybe I should apply there.
In order to make an impact, you need to understand how to introduce sustainability in the values of the organization.
They've given us a startup, and we work together in a team to do consulting for them. Such a good way to get a hands-on approach, work with a client.
I love to see students going through this path of, I have something to say, give me the tools and give me the confidence in order to make it happen.
I've learned so much and I feel like I've really grown.
It's definitely given me a different perspective and the confidence that I can do a lot of things that I couldn't do before.
If you are interested in how to integrate sustainability within businesses, this will be a very great choice.